Network mask. In the routing table, the mask defines how much of the IP address identifies the network portion. Think of it like slicing a pie. The mask decides how big each slice is. Without masks, prefixes wouldn't be meaningful because routers wouldn't know the size of the network. Our practical goal is to observe masks attached to prefixes inside the routing table. Using iOS, we display the routing table, where each prefix includes its subnet mask notation. The output shows 10.1.1.0/24, where /24 is the mask defining the subnet size. This mask indicates that the first 24 bits are network, leaving 8 bits for host addresses. Masks help routers distinguish whether a packet matches a destination network. They are the critical divider between network and host identifiers. Understanding masks ensures routes are accurate and packet forwarding is reliable.